So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nathaniel G. Oreng, the reporter of your the reporter today, and my partner is.
I am Kim A. Bistanio, and we are tasked to report the rule number 3, enforcement and implementation, from section 9 to 20.
Section 9. According to Section 9, National Bureau Investigation and Philippine National Police, they are responsible for the effective and efficient law enforcement in the provision of the Act. The NBI and PNP, they are organized for the cybercrime division or unit that will be manned by special investigation. They are exclusively handled cases involving violation of the acts. So NBI, they are responsible to create a cybercrime division that was headed by the at least the head agent. And the PNP is to create a cybercrime unit headed by the police director. DOJ, Department of Justice, Office of the Cybercrime, they created this under the Act of Shall the coordinated efforts of the NBI and the PNP to enforce the provision of the Act. So Section 10, powers and functions of law enforcement authorities. First is to investigate a cybercrime where the computer systems are involved. You need to investigate computer the computer system so you can see the cybercrimes involved. B. Conduct data recovery and forensic analysis on computer system and other electronic device. Electronic evidence seized. You need to conduct data recovery for the computer system and make forensic analysis to collect evidence electronic evidence. C. You need to make formulate guidelines in investigation, such as forensic evidence recovery and forensic data analysis that consist industry standard practices. D. Provide a technological support investigating unit within the PNP and NBI, including the search, seizure, and evidence preservation and forensic recovery and data from crime scenes and system used in crimes and provide testimonies. In letter D, you need to provide a technological support to investigating units so that the NBI and PNP they can make a seizure and search to make also to the preservation of the evidence and from the forensic. E. Develop a public and private sector and law enforcement agency in relation and releasing cybercrimes. F. Maintain necessary and relevant databases and statistical and or monitoring purposes. G. Develop capacity within the organization to perform your own duties when necessary in the enforcement of the act. H. Support the formulation and enforcement of the National Cybersecurity Plan and to perform other functions that may be required in the act. Section 11. Duties of the law enforcement authorities is to ensure the technical nature of cybercrime and prevention that will be given focus in considering the procedure that involves international cooperation. Law enforcement authorities they are specifically for the computer or technology crime division or units responsible for investigation cybercrimes. They are required to submit timely and make a regular reports including pre-operational, post-operational investigation result, and other such documents that required by the DOJ, Department of Justice, uh, to be reviewed and monitoring. Section 12, preservation and retention of computer data. In the integrity of traffic data and subscriber information, they need to be kept confidentially and preserved by service provider. for the minimum period of 6 months for the date of transaction. The content data will be similarly preserved for the 6 months from the date of receipt. Law enforcement authorities required that preservation. Uh, Law enforcement authorities may be ordered one-time extension for another 6 months. The uh, the the data the data the older data from computer data will be preserved and transmitted stored to a service provider and used as evidence in a case to act as a furnishing such as a copy transmittal document for the office to for the prosecutor that will be deemed identifying the court for the case that needed to be ordered and preserved to keep order in compliance with the confidential. Section 13, collection of computer data. In Section 13, law enforcement authorities should no, law enforcement authorities upon the issuance of court warrant, they will be authorized to collect or record technical means. Service provider, they are required to record a record by technical or electronic means to cooperate in assist of collection of recording in computer data. The court required this section shall be issued by granted upon written application after examination under the oath of permission of the applicant of witness the he produced in showing that there are reasonable grounds to believe any crimes enumerated here above has been committed, being committed, is about committed. Two, there are reasonable grounds to believe that evidence that will be obtained is essential to conviction of any person for or to solution of the prevention of any such crime. Three, there are no other means readily available for obtaining such evidence. Section 14, disclosure of computer data. In law enforcement authorities, they need to secure a court warrant to issue an order or issue an order requiring any person or service provider that disclose submit a 72 hours from the state of the order. Information, traffic data, relevant data. The any information from the person needed to be submit within 72 hours. So the so it will be used as a testimony in the court because it is necessary and relevant for the purpose of the investigation. That will be my report. In the continuation of my report will be Mr. Pistanio.
So, again, I will be the next reporter and to be assigned to report the next section, the 14 to 20. And let's now proceed to section 15. The section 15, search, seizure, and examination of computer data. So, in what are the process or the procedure the in conducting searches and seizures? So here we are. Where a search and seizure warrant is properly issued, the law enforcement authorities shall likewise have the following powers and duties. So, what are the powers? What are the jurisdiction, the authority of the enforcement agent in the following privilege within the time period specified in the warrant, the conduct under exception as defined this rule to search and seize computer data. So, you have an authority unlike other individual or professional. They are the cybercrime unit or agent has a power to seize or to search the computer data of someone who is subjected to be examined and so on. Secure a computer system or computer data storage medium. Make a retained copy of those computer data secured. Maintain the integrity of the relevant stored computer data. Conduct forensic analysis